Here we are in the salon and galley area. This is a huge island galley. Great place for serving, interesting place to have cocktails. Put bar stools around here. You've got a large dining table here, huge settee with a double wide, thick couch, nice ostrich skin upholstery. Really beautiful, nice, light, airy feeling. Electric window blinds, how great's that? There's actually a lounging cushion up here. Imagine preparing a gourmet meal in this beautiful galley. It's beautifully appointed. This door opens up. You have access to the serving area out here. That opens up this entire space to where you've got dining, lounging, you've got lounges outside, very nice salon and inside theater here, and a huge galley. Induction top stove, electric oven. We have a fridge here, another fridge here, freezer here, dishwasher there, and a fridge here. Along with microwave, covered sinks, trash receptacle, even a light underneath the faucet. For kitchen appliances, you have power outlets and USB charging concealed here into the counter. Here in the salon, this Sunreef 70 Power Cat has a unusual setup. Some of these boats were built with a mezzanine in this space here, where you'd go up and have an inside Helm Station here. This boat has a fully enclosed flybridge Helm Station, which I'll show you in a little bit. So what that gives you is the inside of this boat, we've got probably 12 feet of headroom here. It gives it a huge, huge airy feel. It's very light. The light upholstery and the white walls, it just gives it a huge open feel and a very comfortable surrounding. And from here you've got a great home theater system with a Bose surround sound system. All right, we're all the way forward in the boat. We're on a bridge deck owner's cabin. All these sky screens are all electrically actuated. You've got a flat screen TV here, separate controls for this cabin. Down on this side, you have another access to a cabin. The people that owned this boat before, they had a child, so they could come down here and access this cabin from their cabin. Otherwise, this is closed. Here you've got nightstands, a remote for the navigation information, so you can see all of that from your berth. It's an intercom system throughout the boat. Loads of storage in all these cabinets through here. And then what we'll do is we'll walk down and have a look in the port side forward owner's head. This is the forward starboard section of the boat. There's a crew cabin here that's accessible either from the deck or through a walk through here. It could be a single guest cabin or something for a child. There's a head and shower here in this space. Watertight bulkhead door. This door right here goes up into the owner's cabin, or it can be closed off, so this is a separate area. And then as we go aft, you'll see that we've got two bunk beds here. These do not slide together, they're independent. Great for children or singles. There's a head and shower in this space. This is a midship cabin, and then we're gonna go aft and have a look at the aft cabin. And in this aft cabin, you've got a queen size berth, and then there's another head and shower here. We're we're going down in the port side of the boat. We have a cabin forward and a cabin aft. They're all accessed through this passageway, and they have a separate head and shower in each one of them. This is the port aft cabin, large queen size berth, and then a head and shower in this space that you can see now. And this is the port forward aft cabin. It's not all the way aft, it's really midship. You've got a larger berth here than we had in the other cabin, and then there's another head and shower here behind me you can have a look at. Pneumatic power doors, very, very nice. In and out. We're gonna go up to the enclosed fly bridge, and I'll show you the space up there and where the jet ski is stored. And here we are on the fly bridge, fully enclosed. This is the Helm Station. We've got a load of instruments here. As you come around the side, I'll show you what everything does. At the helm, we have 3 Raymarine displays. This one has the video cameras on the boat, so you can see what's going on around you. Very nice for docking, maneuvering, and for security. We've got the chart plotter here. These screens can display radar overlay, fish finder, so you can see the bottom contour. You can duplicate the displays, do quite a bit. This is a proprietary Sunreef control. Here we've got all the switches here in the Plex system to turn pumps on and off, switch batteries, see what the battery temperature is, what the capacity is for the charging systems, fuel levels, water levels, and we can turn on and off just about every system on the boat, whether it's a technical item, electronics, electrical, tanks, lighting, manage alarms, and control the navigation system. Here we have an intercom. These are your 2 generator controls. The generators have a little bit over 2,000 hours each on them. 2 bow thrusters, 1 in each hull. This is the Volvo Penta joystick control. I showed you some wing stations aft. Once again, forward, reverse, sideways, and twist. You can twist the boat with this. This boat has IPS drives on it. Multifunction display for the Volvo engines. We've got a multifunction display here, depth, speed, heading. Here's a autopilot control, and what's quite nice is as you're sitting here in the captain's chair, you have an autopilot control here. Here we have the throttle controls for the boat. There's a Navtex display. These are wiper controls for the wipers here. This whole area is air conditioned. There's defroster vents at the bottom of the windshield, so you always have clear vision. These are the 2 controls for the anchor windlasses, both of them, along with chain counters and a memory function. This is the control for the spotlight up on the roof of the flybridge that I showed you earlier. Signal control for the horns. And here is a control for the charging system, so you can see shore power coming into the boat, power coming from the generator, and mitigate where that power is going and being distributed in the boat. You have 2 AC controls up here, a couple power outlets. Really a very well equipped Helm Station, great visibility. You can see out here, we've got a really good view forward and also along the side and back of the boat. So very safe to maneuver from the enclosed fly bridge. So it's quite a nice feature in the fly bridge. The table goes down or it can go up, so you can have a coffee table or cafe table height. And there's a cushion on board that fits over this space, so it can be a berth for someone additional or a captain. This is the flat screen TV located in the fly bridge. This really works out to be a separate living space on the boat. The flybridge also has its own wet bar. There's a fridge here with drinks. You can put snacks in here. It's really almost a self-contained space up here. You've got television, air conditioning, a place to sleep, drinks, food, wet bar, aft deck. So walking from the flybridge Helm Station, we've got these 2 sliding doors that come out to this aft deck. We've got a nice set of sun lounger cushions. In the back, this railing all the way along the side comes up. This crane can lift up the Sea-Doo, lift that and put it down on the side of the boat here. It could actually swing around as well and put it down on the swim platform that I showed you earlier, so it could be launched that way or just kept there securely in between utilizing it. There's a awning here that folds out and actually covers this entire space and then folds back and retracts. Also on the flybridge, you have the ability to work out, so you can do pull-ups here with this fitting. This is a Sunreef 70 Power Cat, listed for sale with the Catamaran company. And this boat's located in Fort Lauderdale.